Sir, hindi niyo papayuhan kung paano hindi mahuli.
Paano magtago, sir?
Hindi pa naman siya nakadecide kung magtatago eh. Kung mag-decide siya magtago, tuturuan ko siya kung paano magtago. Unang-una, hindi naman confirm na merong warrant of arrest issued. I was calling him, I believe 3 days ago, just to give some moral support, being a former colleague or comrade in arms sa PNP. Pero he was not picking up, and the following morning I noticed na meron siyang missed call sa akin. So I hope we can talk just to give him some advice, hindi para magtago, hindi para how to go about facing criminal charges, because sa kanya something novel. Kasi yung ibang mga kaso ng senador, including myself, dito lang local courts, but this time around this is more challenging for him kasi international criminal court.
So anong i-advise niyo sa kanya sir, in case magkausap kayo today?
Well, marami sanang how to go about yung pagharap niya, kasi I think he knows it naman kasi galing naman sa PNP, but yung my own personal experience or experiences gusto ko ibahagi sa kanya para lang not for anything but within the bounds of the law and rules ng International Criminal Court.
So sir, papasok na ba siya today?
I don't know. Kung papasok siya, I'd like to talk to him.
Sir, hindi niyo papayuhan kung paano hindi mahuli.
Paano magtago, sir?
Hindi pa naman siya nakadecide kung magtatago eh. Kung mag-decide siya magtago, tuturuan ko siya kung paano magtago. Joke lang. Anyway, that's on the law enforcement authorities to look for him.